Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video I'm going to provide you the last minute tips that will help you get your desired band score in IELTS exam. The first thing that I would suggest you guys to do one day before the exam is to go through all the three modules of IELTS exam, and if you are facing any problem in any part of the modules, you should go to your teacher or you should use YouTube to find the solution for it. Secondly, I would suggest you guys to do all the modules once only and don't waste your time doing them again and again. And you should take a good sleep and eat healthy food one day before the exam so that you can keep yourself mentally and physically fit for the exam. The most important thing that you should keep in mind is that you should reach the exam center around 20 to 30 minutes before exam so that you can get used to the environment at that place, and if in case you are stuck in traffic, then also you will have ample time to reach your exam destination. During exam, you should read the instructions carefully so that you can answer accordingly. And secondly, you should check your headphones in listening exam so that you can get them replaced as if they are not in working condition. Time is one of the most important thing that we should keep in our consideration during exam. You should take a look at time and you should pursue your exam accordingly. There is a big screen in front of the exam hall, and there the timer goes on, so you should keep an eye on that as well during your exam. One more thing I would suggest you guys to do is to answer all the questions. Whether you are not able to find answer or there is very less time, you should give them a try. Sometimes they might be correct. At last, I would say best of luck to all of you.